Welcome to Lesson 5. Now that we understand what a work breakdown structure is and why it's essential, it's time to build one together. In this session, we'll create a WBS step by step using a practical example, launching a new mobile phone. If you've ever wondered how big projects are broken down into manageable tasks, this is your hands-on guide. Every work breakdown structure starts with a clear project goal. In our example, the project is to launch a new mobile phone. But that's not just about building a phone. It means delivering a complete, ready-for-market product that reaches customers and starts generating sales. This top-level goal will sit at level 1 of our WBS. The next step is to identify the key building blocks, what we call major deliverables. These represent the big pieces of the project puzzle that must be completed to achieve the overall goal. For a phone launch, these might include designing the product, manufacturing it, marketing it, distributing it to stores or customers, and hosting a launch event. Each of these becomes a branch in our WBS. Now, let's break one of these deliverables into smaller components. Take product design. It's not just about drawing what the phone looks like. It involves designing the user experience, developing technical specifications like battery life or screen resolution, creating early prototypes, and running internal tests. Each of these becomes a separate work package under the product design branch. Next, let's look at manufacturing. Once the phone is designed, we need to bring it to life. That means sourcing components like screens and chips, signing contracts with suppliers, setting up or coordinating assembly lines, and ensuring every unit meets quality standards. Breaking it down this way helps assign responsibility and manage resources more effectively. Marketing and distribution are just as critical. Marketing involves crafting messages, designing campaigns, producing ads, and reaching out to the media. Distribution, on the other hand, means ensuring the product physically reaches customers through logistics, warehouses, and retail partnerships. Breaking these areas into detailed parts allows for better budgeting and scheduling.
The final deliverable in our example is the launch event. This is often where the product is officially revealed. Planning this event involves booking a venue, sending invitations, preparing product demos, and coordinating media coverage. Treating the event as a deliverable ensures that it's not rushed or under-resourced. Once we've identified and broken down all deliverables, we can build our work breakdown structure diagram. This visual format shows the entire project hierarchy, from the overall goal at the top to the smallest assignable task at the bottom. It looks like a tree or an organizational chart, helping everyone understand how the project is structured. Here are some quick but powerful tips when building your own WBS. First, focus on deliverables, not activities. What needs to be produced, not how. Use nouns like user manual instead of verbs like write manual. A good rule of thumb: break down tasks until each one can be completed in about 8 to 80 hours of work. And stop when each part is specific, measurable, and can be assigned to someone on your team. That's it. You've built a complete work breakdown structure. With this foundation, your project is now easier to plan, budget, and manage. You can assign responsibilities, set realistic timelines, and track progress more clearly. In our next lesson, we'll use this WBS to create a project schedule. But for now, congratulations on creating a solid structure for success.